It's a glamorous, oh, the glossy, glossy. Hey, hey, guess what? We got another brand new box. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Save Me Mamacita. For those of you who are brand new, welcome. We have a very exciting new box to our channel, and many of you have probably already heard of it, but it is brand new to my channel. So I'm excited to bring to you guys Glossybox. And I thank Glossybox for sending me this box for review. I am going to do my famous rating that box after I unbox this box. So stick around for that because I want to know what you guys would give this box after I rate it as well. So stick around for that. For now, we are about to get into it. Let's unbox the Glossybox July 2021 box.
A few moments later.
There are so many different brands out there to choose from, and so when you get a box like this, it is super fun because you never know what you're going to get. It can be anything from skincare to hair care to makeup to self-care, all of those things in this box. And they do send you 5 products in the box. This one is actually really light, really light. So I am very curious to see what's inside this box. Are you guys ready? Okay, so this box, subscription box, starts out at $21. If you are just looking to do like a one-time box or a month-to-month box, you're gonna end up paying $21 a month, which isn't terrible. It's actually more on the low end for a subscription box. This one came kind of bent in transit, so I'm hoping that everything is okay inside here. Opening it up, here we go. Ooh, look at that. It's very festive, very summery. It's got some shells, starfish, the festive summer little decor on top of the box, which is super cute. Let us open up. So it comes in a box inside of a box. So this is super cute. It has like a little keyhole, just decoration. For cute, look at that. Very beachy, very beachy. It has a little brochure on the top, as well as a little referring a friend promotion. So if you refer a friend, they can get $5 off using the code. Very cool. And then inside it's yellow. It's got a cute little bow and some confetti paper. Very fun, very festive, very nicely packaged. So we're gonna take a look at the brochure because you guys know that I love these things with the descriptions on them. Inside, it has all of the items inside of the box, as well as, yes, their values, cha-ching. So on the back, it also has a sneak peek for the August box coming up, as well as information on a golden tickets. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this up. We're gonna open up the box, open up the box. I love this paper. It's so bright, yellow, and fun. Okay, so opening it up, there we go. Ooh, very cute. Okay, it doesn't look like they're full-size products. There are 5 products inside, not full-size products. So the first item, I've seen this before. I think I got this in, I don't remember which box I got this in before, but this exact dry shampoo, Batiste. I remember I could never pronounce it correctly. So this Batiste volumizing dry shampoo, I did get a chance to use it in my last subscription box that I received it in, and I do like it. Volumizing dry shampoo. Put some oomph back in your locks with this dry shampoo. The value on this is $3.99. Next we have Glow 2 Illuminating Blush. Now I did receive a note saying that we were supposed to actually get an eyeshadow duet right here, but they were having some issues with that product. I don't know if they weren't able to get it or if they ran out. I don't know the whole situation there, but instead they replaced it with this blush, which actually, to be honest with you, I would prefer this rather than the eyeshadow. I'm not really an eyeshadow kind of girl, so this blush will probably be used a lot more than the eyeshadow would. So let's take a look. It's called Ciate London. I don't know how you say that. And I don't know what the value would be on this either. But open it up and oh, look at that color. Very pink, kind of yellow, peachy. Ooh. Yeah, it's definitely got a very bright pink color to it. I will use that, definitely, yes. It looks like we have a brush set. Look at that, 2 brushes. And these are called Elaina Badro, full-size Divine Duo set. This beautiful sea green set includes an angled brush and a blending brush. The angled brush can be used for brow liner and eyeshadow, while the blending brush is ideal for creating soft color diffusion or defined blending. The value on these are $34. Can you guys tell me why brushes are so expensive? I don't get it. So they've got the angled brush here and they've got this blending brush here. So they're very pretty. I do like the colors. I will use them. It looks like we have 2 more things in the box. We have the Verso eye cream. Guess what? I also received this in another subscription box. So this is a deluxe size, it says, eye cream. The value on this deluxe mini is $21. It says the rich formula nourishes and moisturizes the eye area to ensure a robust skin barrier and healthy hydration level for soft, smooth, and supple skin. It owes its potency to a combination of fermented oat and a hyaluronic acid boosting yeast extract. So like I said before, it is a $21 value for this mini, and I have seen it in another subscription box. And finally, the last item in the box is Purlisse face mask. Okay, so this mask is a $6 value. It says it's Blue Lotus plus seaweed treatment sheet mask. The sun can really dry and dehydrate your skin, especially in the peak of summer. Formulated for all skin types, including sensitive skin, this mask contains blue lotus, seaweed, mulberry, and anise fruit to combat dryness, inflammation, irritation, and redness. You guys know I love trying new masks. This is definitely going to be one that I try. That is it, you guys. That is everything in the box. We are going to go ahead and we are going to do a quick review and then do our thing. That's right. It's time to rate that box, rate that box, rate that box, rate that box. Okay, so this was the very first Glossy box that I have ever received. When we rate the box, we rate on a few different factors. We rate based on the presentation of the box. That's right, the packaging, the variety of the items, the quality of the items, the price point of the items, and the presentation of the items. So we will give a rating based on a scale of 1 to 10, 1 being, don't go there, or 10, yes, you have to buy this box. Okay, so Glossybox, very first thing, straight out of the gate. I loved the way it was presented. This box is so freaking cute. Like, how festive and fun is that for summer? Very beachy, very fun. It's got the seashells. I love it. Cute, super cute. This is awesome. I love the detailed description on each items. It's legit. As far as the variety of the items, I do like the variety of the items. You've got a mask, you've got eye cream, you've got brushes, you've got the dry shampoo, you've got the blush, and the eye cream. So definitely a good variety of items. As far as the price point goes, $21 for a one-time box is actually fairly legit. Now, I was under the impression that these are going to be full-size items, like 5 full-size items. So looking at the value of these items, I'm not exactly impressed with that. There were 2 items in this box that I have actually seen in other boxes. It's not their fault, but it's actually kind of a disappointment for me as a subscription box fanatic. Seeing multiple items in different boxes is kind of like, So we're gonna go ahead and give this box our very first rating. Are you guys ready? What do you think this box should get? Leave a comment down below and let me know. But for now, it's my turn, my turn, my turn. Drum roll, please. We're gonna give Glossybox July 2021 a 5. A 5. It was average. It was an average box. It wasn't like above average by any means. It wasn't like a bad box by any means. I enjoyed it. I do like all of these products. I probably will try them all. Overall, it was a lot of fun. It was a lot of fun. If you guys are interested in Glossybox, guess what? I have a code for you. If you love these kinds of boxes, you can definitely commit to a 12-month and get your first box for just $1. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you. Hit the like button down below if you liked the video. Hit the subscribe button, notification bell, and we will see you in the next video.